Hi everyone and welcome here. This is Daily Motivational Channel and I created this video specifically for those who are scared and frustrated about starting mindfulness sessions. As you can see, my videos are completely immature. Really have millions of mistakes by quality, by the plays, by the voices and the sounds, just to make you feel comfortable by that. Nothing has to be perfect just to start mindfulness. Find a comfortable place where you can stay for a little while. Close your eyes and take a couple of big deep breaths. Inhale it with your nose and exhale it with your mouth. That's the beginning of tuning into your body, expressing your feelings and emotions and allowing yourself to be who you really are. So don't worry about anything. You can't do it right or wrong. Just practice it. And definitely sure you're gonna overcome stress and anxiety and even depression. So keep going. I know you can do that. I know you can do this, and I'm coming up all the time with different kind of mindfulness sessions because I know deep down is helping, and it helped me through really struggling times in my life, and I'm still here for a reason. So see you very soon, everyone. Bye.